Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy 728 Autos back with another video, man. Doing a little cosmetic upgrades to the ride. I got some other stuff coming too, but this is part one. And this is just the start of the birthday month celebration, man. You know, if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now, let me turn down this AC so y'all can hear me better, man. 728, that is my birthday, July 28th, baby. I'm not gonna tell you the year, because then y'all gonna be thinking I'm old, crusty, and dusty. You probably already thought that, but I don't want to give you no ammo. So yeah, man, 728 coming up, man. So my wife, beautiful lady, got me some accessories for the ride, and I'm gonna have those put on today, man. First though, I have to get the car washed, so that'll let you know right off the bat. You know, there's gonna be something outside the car, so I want to make sure I get the car nice and clean and prepped before I throw these things on, man. So stay tuned. All right, so here comes the hard part, man. Peeling off all the 3M strip things, man. This is hard because it wants to come up with the thing, man. Come on now. All right, y'all, so 6 hours later, I got one side on, man. It took me like 30 minutes just to peel all the 3M tape backings off, man. That was the most annoying, tedious. I'm gonna stop, man. I'll keep going for days. I got a whole nother side to do, man. So one side down, one side to go. All right, so pro tip, man, I found a little shortcut. If you use something flat, you can kind of jab at it and then peel. So if you jab and peel, man, that's the new technique, man. You gotta jab and peel, kind of like you shanking somebody. You gotta shank and peel. So you just, let me see if I can demonstrate. Hold on now, let me get the camera right. Come on, camera. All right. Let me sit your weight. All right, there we go. So I'm looking through the camera screen right now. So basically, you want to stab at the corner, and then use like your nail or whatever on the other side. Stab. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna peel now. This is not a good example. So see how, oh, can you see how I stabbed at that corner real quick, and then you see how the red part done came up? So I'm gonna hold down the backing part. Damn, fucking camera. Can't hold the camera up because the damn Gorilla Pod is a bunch of bullshit. All right, so that's what I'm talking about. So I stabbed it. Now I'm peeling. Boom. Got it up. Voila, magic. All right, so only got like 3,000 more of these damn things to do, so catch you in a minute. Good Lord, it's bright and hot out here, man. So I'm gonna show you the finished product, man. Your boy been working hard. Like I said, I found a workaround that actually sped that up on the second part of it, which I really was very grateful to myself for, man. Sometimes you gotta thank yourself, man. But big reveal. I know I'm standing in the way, man. And you can kind of already, you know what it looked like when you saw one half. You can put the two in your head, but I'm stalling. Here you go, man. Boom. Big reveal. Thing look good. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Does it look good or does it look good on there, man? I think it looks good. I know there's so many different options you can do. They have the ones that go obviously all the way across, and you got the side window ones, and I figured I'd start with this because I like the way it kind of looks like a Lambo. I mean, it's kind of what it's supposed to look like, right? It's got the two and then the little glass, but I like it, man, especially looking from the inside. You can see through the back. It's not in the way. I think I like this better than the ones that are like metal, and some of them are overboard. This car, I mean, I ain't want to go that aggressive, but I do have to do something to balance this because obviously now I've got the deck spoiler, I've got this, I got the roof wrap. There's a lot, and then the black exhaust tips. There's a lot of black going on in the back, so I got to balance that out in the front, which I kind of sort of have started the process already. So I think I did a video on this. I may not have, may have just been an Instagram post or whatever. By the way, follow my Instagram, 728 Autos. I got pictures on this as well. A lot of other dope pictures. But yeah, so you see here I got the nostrils on the front, the black nostrils. So we're starting there. And then down in the front, this is where we need to start doing some extra stuff. And I got some stuff on the way for that, man. So stay tuned to that, because that's gonna be, in my opinion, it's gonna set it off even more. It's gonna look good, a little bit more balanced. But right now, man, the car looks good. If you made it this far, man, I know this is not a long video. This is just a short little something, man, because I wanted to do something extra for my ride, for my birthday, BIRFDAY. And yeah, if you made it this far, type in birthday in the comments, hit the like button for me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.